Hey everyone, Manuela here. Mother's Day is right around the corner and I'm so excited to be partnering with Aerie to give you 3 easy DIY gift ideas that your mom will love. If you didn't already know, I'm one of Aerie's real role models this year, and that means that I get to share my passion for sustainability and conscious living with their community, as well as sharing fun projects like this one, using items that are upcycled and showing you that you do not have to go out and buy new things, but you can reinvent the things you already have. And of course, these are gifts that are made with love, so I hope you enjoy them. Let's get started. For the first gift idea, you're gonna need some sort of tin. Either your can of black beans, whatever you have on hand. Remove the label and we're gonna drill some holes into the bottom for drainage. After that, you are going to paint it or decorate it. This is the time that you get to be creative, and you can write some lovely message or something special that your mom will really enjoy. Maybe use some of her favorite colors. I tried to go with a little bit of an ocean themed because my mom does live near the beach and loves the beach. And then we're gonna choose some beautiful plants to put into the tin. I went with a century plant, which is kind of like a succulent, but you can use whatever you have on hand. You can even have different herbs, or you can start it from seed if you have a bit more time. For the hanger, you're going to need some string or some heavy duty yarn, whatever you have at home, and you are going to cut 4 identical length pieces of string, and you want this to be a few yards depending on how long you want the hanger to be. And about halfway through each string, you're going to tie a knot, and then that way you have 4 different strands, and you're just basically doing a very simple macrame, which is tying each string to the one next to it. And you do this twice, and I know it seems intimidating, but I promise it's not. I'll include some extra directions down below for you. But then you just tie the bottom into a knot however you'd like it, and you've got yourself a beautiful hanger. For this next idea, you are going to upcycle any magnets you might have at home and turn them into something special. So what I did is I got some jar lids. Now I'm using mason jar lids, but if you have pasta jar lids, you can use that as well. Just make sure to paint the outside. And we are just going to cut up some photos and glue them into the lids, and then glue some magnets on the back. And then you've got yourself some cute little photo magnets to add to your fridge. And I went ahead and did one with a cute message. So if you have a saying or something special that you want to tell your mom, you can include that. You might be far away from your mom, so this might be the perfect gift to mail to her. And that way, every time she opens the fridge, she has a friendly face to see and just reminded of her kids, and maybe a happy message to go along with it. We're gonna make reusable makeup remover pads, and it's really easy. I'll show you how. You're gonna need some sort of washcloth, and then you're gonna cut it into circles, and then you're going to need a different fabric. I chose a very soft black cotton, and I chose black so that the makeup won't show, and I'm just cutting that to match the other circle. And then we're just going to sew the edges, but you want to leave a little opening at the end so that you can flip the fabric inside out, and then you have clean edges, and then you can hand sew the little opening so that it doesn't show, and voila. And then you can use them to wipe off your makeup and, add any cleanser to your face, and then just throw them in the wash and reuse them. You can include this with maybe your favorite DIY scrub or face mask, or your mom's favorite lotion, and I think it'll be a gift she'll really like. I hope your mom enjoys these DIYs, and I hope you enjoy making them. I know I sure did. It was a nice little arts and crafts project. If you make any of these gift ideas, make sure to tag at Aerie. We'd love to see your Mother's Day creations come to life. And remember that you can use what you already have, get creative, and hopefully this inspires you to upcycle some items this season. And I hope you have a great day. Bye, everyone.